Hello viewers, thank you so much for this time. We have a simple problem here to solve, and I really appreciate your time joining us here once again. And before the work starts, we really appreciate that if you are able to subscribe to this YouTube channel, it will help all of us to be able to move together on the same page. However, today we are going to deal with circle theorem. All right, this is a problem that we've encountered with. We are saying that in the figure above was to find the value of D, B, C, and that is angle B. So we are being asked to find angle D, B, C. So this angle, this is B, D, and this is C, this is A. So that's how the diagram is labeled. So working with circle theorem, there are so many things that we need to put into perspectives. However, for us having A, B, C, and D here, and with angle here labeling 50, meaning we have a cos to work with, right? So what we need to do here is to make sure that we employ all the principles governing circle theorem, i.e., there are some other properties that governs whatever we do under circle theorem. So when that is realized, then we know that we are actually on the right path by finding angle B. Because here, what it means is that we are being asked to find angle D, B, C. So D, B, C here means we are going to find this angle here. We are going to find this angle here. That is what we don't know. So let's understand what we are doing here carefully. First of all, what we are seeing here is a circle, right? And we have a line dividing the circle into two. And we have two lines crossing it. Then we also have a baseline. Now, under circle theorem, all these lines have their names, their meaning, and everything that they need to be known for. Then we can now go ahead to use them to be able to employ all the principles governing this to be able to resolve it amicably. All right, so let's continue to define this particular diagram. Now, the line that you are seeing from A, B, C is what we call tangent line. Tangent line. We call this tangent line. And apart from this line, we also have a line inside the circle or the semicircle, which we call chord. Which we call a chord. The line is arcing from one part of the semicircle to the middle part of the semicircle is called what? A chord. When you look at it again, we have another chord on top here. So we have chord 1 and chord 2. These are basic things that we need to know or to label when we are talking about circle theorem. All right, so shall we continue? After being able to define this line as a tangent line, we have chord 1 here and chord 2 here. Then we also have a line joining the two chords in the middle of the circle. That's making the circle to become 2, where we have semicircle. Now, after getting to know all this, we have a property under circle theorem, which we call segment property. Segment property. It can also be called alternate segments. So, property 1, we have something we call alternate word segments. We call it alternate word segments. Alternate segment property. Now, for the sake of this question, we are going to talk about only this property because it has gotten something to do with this question And we could not solve this problem successfully without employing this property. Now, this segment or alternate segment property tells us that an angle that is alternating with other angles within a semicircle or within a circle theorem are the same. Don't forget that under angles in general, we do have alternate angles. Angles that are alternating are what? Equal angles. I.e., if it's angle A, then the other side is also angle A, because they are what? Alternating. Now, under circle theorem, we also have one particular property that is called alternate segment. And the alternate segment shows us or tells us that angles that are alternating in the same segment are equal. So therefore, I can say angle ABC is equals to 50 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees. Why so? It is so because angle DBC is equals to the angle BDC. So therefore, making it equals to the other alternating what? Segmental line, which is called 50 degrees. It's as simple as that. You don't need to work anything. You don't really need to do any calculation here. You look at the location of the angle, the position of the segmental line, or the position of the segment line, and you now look at your chords. The chord can be 1. Then you have your answer. The chord could be 2. It doesn't matter. All you need to know is to be able to employ all the principles and properties governing the circle theorem, and you should be able to solve these kind of problems amicably and easily. So therefore, angle B is equals to what? 50 degrees. Therefore, here becomes 50 degrees. We have it here like this. That's it. So the angle is equals to what? 50 degrees. Thank you so much for being part of this journey. God really bless you. Please, if you know you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, kindly do so. Don't forget to share these videos on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and that of TikTok. We are everywhere. Please follow us for more tutorials. God bless you. Bye.